What's going on, everybody? Aaron here over at Attention to Detail, South Chicagoland's #1 PPF and coatings experts here at our Highland location. And I wanted to give you a walk around of this 2023 Ford Bronco Roush. This thing is customed out, and we did insane paint protection film, PPF clear bra work, and a one-step paint correction and ceramic coating on the back with some windshield tint. I want to take you through the entire process and what we did. Now, this film work is incredible. Have to remember, this vehicle now is 3 years old. It's got some chips on the front end, but client wants to protect what is there. So we did paint protection film, which has a 10-year warranty from all of your physical damages. We're talking rock chips, dings, scratches, scrapes. We wrapped and tucked every edge of this film that we possibly could and custom cut out all of these satin black stripes, the Roush stripes. Insane level of detail when it comes to this paint protection film work, and I want to walk you through it. For starters, we have to wash and prep the vehicle. The vehicle goes into our wash bay. We start by doing a full foam wash. This is going to remove all of the main dirt and grime on the vehicle. Clean the rims, the tires, the wheel barrels, the wheel wells, brake calipers, brake dust. Every single square inch of the exterior of the vehicle gets detailed. Then we take a detail brush. We're going in every crack and crevice on the exterior of the vehicle. Headlights, taillights, front grills, trims, emblems, plastics, you name it. We're detail brushing it, okay? It's like a makeup brush, but for your car. This dislodges any of the dirt in between the cracks and crevices to ensure that when we are actually laying film, that there's no dirt and debris getting into any of the cracks and crevices. Then where all of the film work is getting done, we do what's called an iron decontamination. This is going to remove any iron particles, any brake dust, any road grime from the exterior of the vehicle. You'd be surprised how much yellow we can actually pull out of the paint. Then we do a clay bar treatment. This is going to remove any embedded contamination that's in the paint, stuff you can't really see with your eyes, but you can feel it with your hands. If you put a plastic bag over your hand and you rub the paint, you can hear it. It almost has this like scratchy sandpaper feel. The clay bar removes any embedded contamination that's in the paint and makes it silky smooth. Then after that, we ship it down to our film shop. Now we have 2 shops here in the same complex. Why 2? Because this is where we do all the dirty work. We do our wet sanding, our buffing, our polishing, our coatings, undercoatings. But our film shop, it's only 3 bays. It's very, very, very clean. It's mopped and swept twice a day. It's temperature controlled. It's dust controlled. It's literally the cleanest room. That's why it's called the clean room. And we do all of our film work down there because any tiny little specks of dust, debris, dirt, hair, you name it, that gets underneath the film, you can see it. So it's very, very important. We're actually doing it in a separate environment because we want the film work to be as clean as humanly possible. So once the film work is done, we did on this vehicle the entire front end plus all 4 of the doors. Entire front end includes the entire hood, both of the full fenders, the front bumper piece, and then on this vehicle, all 4 of the doors. These door handles were removed in doing the paint protection film. Why? Very, very important that you don't see any sort of lines or seams going around the handles. Super, super imperative. And then we custom trimmed out all of these Roush satin black emblems. So this level of detail, each one is hand cut out itself, and it definitely takes some skill because A, you don't want to cut through the paint, and B, it has to be straight, otherwise you are going to see it. So very important that you have a very high level of detail when it comes to actually, hand trimming these out. Everything else is bulk plotted, so we plot it out and we leave a little bit of extra around the edge so we can wrap and tuck all the edges. Most shops don't wrap and tuck all the edges. They usually will wrap and tuck a few here and there. At our shop, attention to detail, we're the best at the details. We are gonna wrap and tuck as many edges as humanly possible. Then it underwent quality control check. We go around with a flashlight. We look over every single square inch of the exterior of the vehicle when it comes to where the PPF was applied. Then we brought the vehicle back here and we did the one-step paint correction on the back. You can come take a peek at that. Did a one-step paint correction just to remove 40 to 70% of the swirl marks, the light scratches, any of the fading and oxidation over the last 3 years this vehicle's endured outside. And then we put our Fireball FX88, which is our new butterfly. It's FX88. It's got a little bit of graphene infused in it and 2% of titanium, as well as the silicone dioxide SiO2 ceramic that's infused in the coating, making it the slickest coating on the market to date. And we still are offering our 7-year warranty. Super easy to clean, super hydrophobic, super easy to maintain. We tinted the front windshield as well. Client wanted the windshield a little bit darker, a little bit more privacy, UV rays, sun damage, infrared rays, IR, all of that blocking as well, coming in from the front windshield when the client's driving down the roads. So, all the coating has a 7-year warranty. All of our film work has a 10-year manufacturer warranty, covering any lifting, peeling, bubbling, fading, cracking, yellowing, of course, due to the film itself or any of the installation. 10-year warranty, all covered. And this vehicle is now ready for the road. We cover this vehicle top to bottom, back to front. I am so excited. Jerry, thank you for your repeat business on this Bronco. And I loved all the custom stuff you did to it, making all that green. That was all the client, so we didn't do any of that. If you guys want any of our services, we offer the highest level of quality when it comes to paint protection film, ceramic coatings, paint corrections, Icon rock clear applications, under coatings, powder coatings, window tint, vinyl wraps, custom exterior work. We are the go-to. Give me a call at 219-533-8783 or visit me on my website, www.attn2detail.info. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, book a consultation. I'd love to meet you, shake your hand, give you a tour of the shop. Just call us, book your consultation, come meet me. I'd love to walk you through your vehicle, go over everything that you'd like to get done, enhanced and protected. We work on all vehicles, all years, all makes, models, you name it, we can do it here at A2D in Highland. Give me a call at 219-533-8783 and enjoy this 2023 Ford Bronco Roush. Aaron, out.